is your steak, cheesy, creamy potatoes, and a bit of veg on the side.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys at home today. What am I going to be cooking? I'm going to be making steak with potatoes and some vegetables on the side. I'm going to say vegetables, just a bit of broccoli and some cherry tomatoes on top, really. But yeah, the potatoes are going to be mixed with feta cheese, just like previous video that I've done a few videos back actually. But yeah, stay tuned, see how it goes. But before we go any further, I need you guys to hit that red button. Subscribe, guys, it is free. What are you waiting for? Just hit the damn button, it's free. You'll watch this, you do it. 80% of you that watch this videos, they're not subscribed. Subscribe. Let's get the video going. I don't want to talk no more. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to use 3 potatoes. What you want to do is just chop them up, right? Chop them up in terms of, you know how I done it last time, make potato wedges? Not so thick, but not so thin either. So, see what you can do. Get out of the way, mate. Happy days. What you want to do now is get one of these, right? Stick it in there. Go on, mate, get in there. You move over. Look at that. Obviously, you want to season it, right? A pinch of salt, bada bing, bada boom. Pinch of pepper, another bada bing, bada boom. Bit of paprika, bada bing, bada boom. Shamoli, shamo. Turmeric. Right, look at that. Look at that. And then you want to get a bit of mixed herbs, alright? That does smell alright. Bit of mixed herbs, chuck it in there, will ya? Get some of that down ya. Now, you want to stick a bit of olive oil. Go on, mate, yeah, a bit of that, alright, lovely. Now, you can get any type of spoon, mix it all about, wiggle it all about, make sure it all gets in there and all that. You know what I mean, lad? This is your feta cheese, just chuck it in there, right? Pour a pinch of olive oil just on top of this bad boy. There you go, happy days. Right, oven is on preheat, put this bad boy in. Check it out, give it 20 minutes, we'll be back. What I'm gonna do is marinate our 2 lovely steaks. So you just wanna try and get out of the packaging if you can. Go on, son. Have a bit of that, will ya? Yeah? Just rip it out. Look at that. Bit of quality meat there, mate. A bit of meat there. Yeah? It's quite simple, guys. I mean, marinating this, pinch of salt, yeah. Pinch of pepper, yeah. And now, put it on this. Okay. Put some of that on there. Right. Give that a little wiggle. Yeah. Same thing with that. But this time, simple, guys. Yeah. Now let that rest. Get this bad boy. Stick it in there. Listen to that sizzle. There you are. Let me get rid of this. Don't need this. at that. Look at that. Flip this bad boy over. And the same. These bad boys get cooked up quick, you know. They're quick. Right. Got a few of these broccolis, right? Just chuck in the hot water. Not for long though, maybe a minute, and then take it out. Right? Just turn it off for a sec. Take it off the heat. Give it a little wipe down here. Get rid of that oiliness all around. Right. We're going to need this. We're going to take them off the, come on, and you, get here. Right, bit of silence, finally a bit of silence. Right, what you want to do now is grab your cherry sun-dried tomatoes, right, just dip them in, just like so. Just give it a little rinse and then stick it in there as it is. Let it go on gradually, slowly, happy days. Now, what you want to do is this. What do you want to do? You want to get your steak and then you just want to cut it up, right? It's a nice little pieces. We're going to turn off the oven and then bring this bad boys out. Look at that. Have a look at that, will ya? Amazing. Yeah? All you need to do now, where's my spoon? It can get stuck to the bottom, so just make sure it all comes off and then just mix it all up. Turn this down because you don't want it to splash all over the gas. Look at that. Yeah? Can you guys see what I'm talking about? Can you guys see what I'm dealing with here? Yeah? Look at that. It becomes nice and creamy. Potatoes, try not to mash up the potatoes. Try to keep it as whole, but I'm sure it will get mashed up here and there. But try your best, right? Look at that. Now put that on a plate, will ya? Yeah. So, what goes on a plate? Move that over. Here's what we need. How are we doing here? Alright? Alright, mate? How you look doing? Alright? Go on, mate. Get some of that down ya. Yeah? Right. I'm going to grab a plate. Put it there. Right. Next step is to get your lovely steak. Look at that. Get rid of that. Don't need that. More there. Yeah. Lovely. Right, I'm going to turn these off. They're looking alright. Done. And now, You want to get some potatoes, stick it down inside. Alright? Look at that. It is hot here, so I don't really want to be touching the thing, that's why. Look at it. Will you just look at it? Right, and then remember the broccoli I boiled earlier? Just place a few of them down the side. Yeah, just like so. And then pick up a bunch. And bon appetit. Let's get that heat, it is hot. Bon appetit, ladies and gentlemen. That is your steak, cheesy, creamy potatoes, and a bit of veg on the side. Bon appetit. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come